and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make pumpkin muffins or cupcakes. I'm not sure what the difference is. Please tell me down below because I've googled and Google did not help me any further. Let's get to it. For our muffins we start by mixing our butter with our sugar and our honey. We have here 90 grams of honey, 100 grams of cane sugar or brown sugar, and 150 grams of butter. We add the butter and we start mixing. Now we add 1 egg. Now it's time to add our pumpkin. We add 225 grams of pumpkin. With mine, since I can't find the canned one, I sliced it like this. Then I put it into the oven in aluminum foil, and left it for at 200 degrees for about an hour. Then I peeled it and chopped it up. Now we add some spices. We add about a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, obviously. A pinch of salt. And just a pinch of nutmeg. We add approximately a teaspoon of baking powder and 200 grams of flour. Mix one last time. Time to fill our muffin forms. So here we have our muffin forms. Now we place the batter in. We try not to fill it up to the rim because it's going to grow. And if it grows out of the form. This one is probably going to grow out of the form. And for checking, we're going to use the toothpick method. Just put a toothpick into the biggest one, and if nothing sticks to the toothpick, it means that it's done. So we're making some frosting for our muffins. I have here 250 grams of Philadelphia, or any other cream cheese would work. I use some butter, not too much. I don't know how much this is, maybe 50 grams approximately. And approximately half a cup of powdered sugar. I mix it. This is it. I taste it. Tastes nice, not too sweet, and not too much of butter or cream cheese. Now it's time to get our muffins. Here they are. I let them cool down for some time, so now they're like almost cold, and we're going to make cupcakes out of them. I'm not entirely sure. Please, if someone knows the difference, what the difference between a muffin and a cupcake is. As far as I have understood, a cupcake is a muffin with some topping. If I'm wrong, then please tell me which one is the difference. Anyways, we're going to coat ice these beauties. Why? Why is it coming out from the side and not from where it should? Well, anyways, it's coming out from the side. This is not going well. So we're apparently, it broke. Not sure why. So we're going to make modern art out of it. So here are the failed muffins, and I'm going to see if anyone would bid for them, if any museum would like to have these amazing modern art creations. For now, thank you for joining today. Thank you for seeing me fail at trying to get frosting out of a sakaposh. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to my channel. And for now, see you next time. Bye!